To get started with Webull for day trading, first download and install the Webull app on your mobile device or access it through the website on your computer. Once installed, create an account by providing the required personal and financial information, and verify your identity as per the platform's requirements. Next, fund your account by depositing money through one of the available payment methods. Webull offers a variety of deposit options, including bank transfers and wire transfers. Ensure you have sufficient funds in your account to start trading. After funding your account, familiarize yourself with the Webull interface. The platform provides a range of tools and features, including real-time market data, charts, and technical indicators. Use these tools to analyze the market and make informed trading decisions. To place a trade, navigate to the trading section of the platform and select the stock or security you want to trade. Choose the type of order you want to place, such as a market order or limit order, and enter the quantity of shares you want to buy or sell. Review your order carefully before submitting it to ensure everything is correct. Webull also offers advanced trading features, including options trading and margin trading. However, these features are subject to certain requirements and risks, so ensure you understand them before using them. In addition to trading features, Webull provides a range of educational resources and tools to help you improve your trading skills. These resources include video tutorials, webinars, and market analysis reports. Take advantage of these resources to learn more about day trading and how to use the Webull platform effectively. To minimize risks and maximize profits, it is essential to have a solid trading strategy in place. Develop a strategy based on your trading goals, risk tolerance, and market analysis. Stick to your strategy and avoid making impulsive decisions based on emotions. Finally, monitor your trades closely and adjust your strategy as needed. Webull provides real-time updates on your trades, allowing you to track their performance and make adjustments accordingly. By following these steps and using the Webull platform effectively, you can improve your day trading skills and achieve your trading goals.